Okay, we were about to top off the engine coolant, and then we looked in here and we thought it looked kind of dirty and rusty. So then we said, okay, let's just drain it and put in new stuff. Although I did test it earlier, there is a video about that where I tested it, and it was still basic. It was not acidic. It was a 7.2 or 3 or something like that. So we started to drain it, and it looked pretty good. So then I got a cleaner cup and drained some more. I didn't drain that much, just a little bit. And the color doesn't look like we thought it did here. It looks good. So then I dipped in a napkin rolled up into it just to see if it would come back with a bunch of rust on it and stuff, and it didn't. It looks clear, it looks good. So we're not going to drain it after all. By all indications, it's still fine. Now I did run into a little snafu taking this piece off. These bolts came out fine. These two broke right off. They're going into the heavier metal. They broke off, so now I'm going to have to wire that in or something. So I'm going to have to deal with that, but it's going into heavier metal and it just wouldn't come out. Okay, let's top it off, get this back on, figure out how I'm going to fasten that in so it's not making noise. And it goes right underneath here. Maybe I should show you that. So the shield was right here. Now maybe I could have gotten these three out over here, this one, and then two behind me here, enough to get my arm up in here, because there was a hole. I think there was a hole here, and maybe I could have twisted this and let it come out without taking the others off, but it's too late. I did it, and we'll deal with it now. Okay, so anyways, it is a little this is where you open it up, and then it comes out right here. But we're not going to drain it. We could have, but we're not going to. The indications are that it's still good. Okay, let's get it back together. Let's top it off to the right level, because it is low. It's definitely low. And I'm hoping we do not have a break someplace. Okay. Let's get the shield back on.